This folk, the antibody, is catching too much of our attention in the past few days and has become the new superhero of the pandemic world. It has been claimed that an antibody has tremendous capabilities which can kill the deadly coronavirus. But who is this superhero and why is it getting so much limelight? Antibodies are not the new superheroes. They are our age-old friends and saviors in need. They are a gang of soldiers who work under the massive and complex army of a body called immunity. Antibodies are also known as immunoglobulin. They are Y-shaped proteins consisting of a heavy chain and the light chains. The light chain has a special antigen binding site where an invader like the coronavirus attaches. An antigen is any foreign body that gets the immune system into action. For germs like bacteria and viruses, antigens are found on their surface. Every type of foreign body has its unique antigen. Our body recognizes it and creates an antibody specific to it. You can think of an antigen as a lock and an antibody as its key. And a key is made to open a specific lock and cannot work for any other lock. So how do antibodies fight viruses like SARS-CoV-2? When a virus like SARS-CoV-2 enters our body, it binds to our cells, hijacks them, and by using them, replicates itself, which in turn damages our body and makes us ill. But thanks to our immune system, which comes into action immediately on spotting such a threat, it sends different types of warriors to kill the invader. When they are unable to kill the invader, they send signals to the headquarters, B cell. B cell starts producing the first line of soldiers, the antibodies. When antibodies arrive, it changes everything. Antibodies attach to the virus and block the virus from attaching to the cells. After that, the other warriors of our immunity also come into action and together they destroy the deadly coronavirus. It takes around 10 to 15 days to recognize the required type of warrior and produce those specific antibodies which can neutralize the invaders. But these antibodies can be acquired from the recovered patient as well. This treatment is known as plasma therapy. To know more about it in detail, watch our video on plasma therapy. If a person is vaccinated, then these antibodies can be produced early. You can watch another of our videos to see how vaccines work. That's how antibodies save our lives and protect us from real threats. That's why they are our heroes who help us fight the invaders like the novel coronavirus. Fever and inflammation are good signs. It means that our immune system is active and is doing its job. This is because when our immune system works, it raises our body temperature and causes inflammation.